Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Jesus Decor is probably one of the most profound and personal ways to express your faith and bring a sense of peace and inspiration into your living space, transforming any room into a sanctuary of spiritual reflection and beauty, making it essential to choose pieces that resonate deeply with your personal style and devotion while seamlessly integrating into your home's aesthetic. Number 5. Homedics EnviraScape Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. Bring a calming, zen feel to any space with this beautiful tabletop fountain. Its perfect size adds a decorative accent to any surface, creating a gentle, soothing sound of water. Featuring a 3-tiered waterfall, natural stones, and a deep basin, it replicates the tranquil sights and sounds of a peaceful spring. The water streams down elegantly, filling your home with serene cascading sounds. Designed with a quiet, built-in submersible pump, simply fill the basin to enjoy its soothing effects. This fountain circulates water, keeping it clean, and features a convenient on-off switch for effortless control. Its innovative artistic design includes a unique lighting feature that creates a soft reflection of running water. This illuminating glow adds a romantic ambience, enhancing your relaxation experience. Use it to de-stress after a long day, drifting off to sleep with its peaceful sounds. It's perfect for meditation, yoga, or even as a gentle night light in a nursery. What we like. This elegant tabletop fountain offers a tranquil escape with its gentle water sounds. If you are looking to de-stress after a long day or create a peaceful ambience for meditation, this is perfect. Its soft glow and natural river rocks make it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or nurseries. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the input source was empty. Number 4. God Wall Decor Picture, Inspirational Faith Art Print. Discover unique wall art that brings inspiration and beauty to any room. These prints are designed to uplift and add character to your home or office. Each piece is an 8x10 unframed print, offering versatility for your preferred display. They are high-quality art pieces, not canvas or tin signs, ready for your personal touch. From your living room to your office, bedroom, or even a man cave, these decorations fit seamlessly. They transform any space into a reflection of your unique style and faith. Looking for the perfect present? These make wonderful gifts for men, women, and teens for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. They are a meaningful way to show you care. Choose from an incredible array of styles, including boho, minimalist, rustic, or inspirational quotes. There's a design to match every aesthetic and personal preference. Infuse your surroundings with messages of faith, gratitude, and encouragement. These prints serve as daily reminders of what truly matters, bringing peace and positivity. What we like. This unframed 8x10 print provides a unique touch to any room with its inspiring message. If you are searching for a versatile piece of art that fits various decor styles, this is an excellent choice. It also makes a thoughtful and easy gift for any occasion. What people say. Number 3. Jesus Paid It All Wall Art Print. Discover a powerful reminder of grace with this unique wall art. It visually declares that your spiritual debt is completely settled, not just forgiven. Designed like a receipt, it lists burdens like sin and shame, all marked paid with a zero balance. This piece anchors its message in Romans 6 verse 23, celebrating the finished work of the gospel. This makes a deeply meaningful gift for significant faith milestones. Whether for Easter, a baptism, or spiritual renewal, it reminds anyone that their debt is truly settled. Crafted as an 8x10 print on heavyweight, archival quality cardstock, it ensures lasting clarity. Printed in the USA with fade-resistant inks, it arrives ready to display, though the frame is not included. Sized at 8x10 inches, it fits standard frames and complements various decor styles. You can display it on a nightstand, office wall, or as part of a gallery, blending seamlessly with farmhouse, modern, or minimal aesthetics. More than just decor, it's a profound statement of faith for daily living. When guilt or past failures resurface, this print serves as a powerful visual answer. The balance is zero. What we like. This powerful print visually declares the completed work of the gospel with its unique receipt-style design. If you need a daily reminder of grace and freedom from guilt, this piece speaks volumes. It's especially suitable for prayer rooms or as a meaningful gift for new believers. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 2. American Luxury Gifts. Jesus is the anchor of my soul wall art. Discover a beautiful way to express your faith. This modern Christian wall art features a powerful Bible verse, bringing inspiration and peace to any room. Perfect for your home, office, nursery, or church, it adds a touch of spiritual elegance wherever it's displayed. Its versatile design complements various decor styles. Looking for a thoughtful present? This unique faith print makes an exceptional gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion, sure to be cherished by your loved ones. Crafted on premium quality luster finished Fuji Crystal Archive photo paper, this unframed print ensures vibrant colors and lasting beauty. Please note, frames are not included with your purchase. Proudly made in the USA with meticulous attention to detail, it undergoes rigorous quality control. We stand by its superior craftsmanship and offer a commitment to your satisfaction. What we like? Featuring a modern nautical design, this print beautifully conveys a message of steadfast faith. If you appreciate contemporary decor with a spiritual touch, this will fit seamlessly into your home or office. Its inspirational verse serves as a constant source of encouragement. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source content was empty. Number 1. LEGO Idea Central Perk 21319. Step into the beloved Central Perk Cafe with this detailed LEGO brick build set. It's packed with authentic features, designed to bring back hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Inside, you'll find the complete Central Perk studio set, along with all 7 iconic minifigures. Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and even Gunther are ready for new adventures. Each minifigure comes with cool accessories, perfect for recreating memorable scenes or inventing your own. Every detail is crafted to inspire endless roleplay fun. This collectible 1070-piece toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. Enjoy constructing it solo or share the fun with friends and family. It makes a great gift for any Friends fan and is sure to impress. Display it proudly in any room or office to show off your love for the show. This set is fully compatible with your existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. You can easily create your own unique mashup models and stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, it's a substantial display piece. It will certainly make a big impression wherever you choose to showcase it. What we like? This detailed building kit recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe from a beloved TV show. If you are a fan of the series and enjoy immersive building projects, this offers hours of nostalgic fun. It's perfect for displaying as a conversation starter or sharing the building experience with friends. What people say. No reviews available to extract from the empty source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.